Alright, I stopped today and got a box of 2018 Classics football. Been seeing this opened on YouTube and thought I'd try a box of it. Hopefully I'll get something good. I done seen some retail open and staying away from retail. Don't have no use for retail, any retail. Alright, let's start with pack one. Wow. Can you see that? 5 of 5. Don't know if you can see that. That says Tom Brady, 5 of 5. Wow. Thomas Edward Patrick Brady. Yellow back. Wow. David Bellamy's my rookie. A 5 of 5, Tom Brady. Well, that's a good way to start it. Alright. Frank Gore, 69 of 99. Classic Clashes. Luke Falk, a rookie. Let me take the rookie out of this one. There we go. There's a jersey card in here. Nope. Just a filler. Patriot sticker. Alright. Terrell Suggs, Ray Lewis. Nick Chubb's a rookie. Not bad. Myles Garrett, Randall Cobb. Rookie of Deline Dawkins, numbered to 299. And then Dalen Thomason, high praise. There's another rookie, Richie James. Full name, Terry Bradshaw, Raymond Berry. Alright, let's see. Carlos Hyde, 28 of 50. Not bad. Bradley Chubb, rookie. Alright, getting some good rookies, that's for sure. And all your legends. Still can't get over that Tom Brady. Alright, let's see. Kareem Hunt. Jersey. Okay. Not numbered. Could have been better, but Jerry Rice, Fitzpatrick rookie. Let's see. Not maybe my autograph would be a really good one. I got a shiny one. Jason Taylor, Legends. Let's see, Dante Pettis, rookie. Some good stuff here. Could have already gotten some of this. Another shiny one. Kerryon Johnson, Auburn. Not numbered. Let's see. Marcel Atman, rookie. Like another filler in here. Yep. Let's see. Got another Buffalo Bill sticker. John Kelly rookie. All your legends. I ain't gonna go through all them. Waiting on that autograph. Sean Watson. Tony Dorsett, number to 299. It's pretty cool. And Luke Kuechly and a Jaire Alexander rookie. There's some pretty good rookies out of here. Like another filler in this one. Let's see. Carlton Davis rookie. All right, 3 packs to go. Still waiting on that autograph. Pretty cool. That's a refractor there. Michael Gallup rookie. Numbered to 175. You can see that. It's cool. See if there's any more rookies out of here. Yep, I can't even pronounce his name. Alright, 2 packs left. Like a filler in this one. Todd Gurley, Ramsey. Yep. Green Bay Packers. Billy Price. Well, I hope the autograph's in here. If not, I got cheated. Wouldn't surprise me with Panini. Would not surprise me. Russell Wilson? No. Ooh, Kurt Warner. Wow, Kurt Warner, 18 of 24. 18 of 24. Autograph. Wow. Pretty cool. I guess that's a buyback. Cool. I'll take that. Thought it was a Russell Wilson for a minute. Deion Kane rookie. All right. That wasn't too bad. Not bad at all. Still stoked about that Tom Brady. 5 of 5. I don't know if that's in focus or not, but that is pretty cool. And a Kurt Warner autograph. Alright, thanks for watching.